Okay. Put your pencils down, please. I want you to watch. It's going to be tempting to write it. Don't write down. I want you to watch me do the first one. Okay? Then we'll do the next two together, and then you'll do one on your own. Okay? So put your pencils down. Just look up and watch. The 0.32, if I plot it, is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 right here. And I am going to make that my new origin. You're not writing down. Put your pencil down. Now, everything I do is going to be from this new origin. So I'm going to label this new. Okay? And I'm going to make this point right here A. Everything I do from now on is going to be according to the new origin. So, pencils down. If this is 0, 0, where is A at? From here, I'm going to go right 1, up 3. So my point A is at 1, 3. Does everybody in here agree? From 0, 0, right 1, up 3. Now I need to rotate. How am I rotating? 90 degrees. You can do one turn counterclockwise, or you can do the rule. What is the rule for 90 degrees? If you had that memorized when I just asked it right now, do the rule. Negative y, x. There's your answer. If you don't have it memorized, look up. You're going to take your graph, turn it 90 degrees, and then where is A at now? Left 1, 2, 3, up 1. Isn't that what we just said? Negative 3, 1. Either way works. Whatever you prefer to do. If you prefer to turn your paper, that's fine. If you prefer to memorize the rule, that's fine. Now here's where everybody forgets. Now I want you to plot this point according to your new rule origin. So negative 3, 1, I'm going to plot left 1, 2, 3, up 1. And this is going to be my A prime. Are we okay so far? The final step, everything we did was according to the new origin. Your final step is looking at the graph like you normally do. Where is this point on your graph? Where is it? The point is at 0, 3. So my answer for A prime is 0, 3. And this is the answer to the question. And we are done. What questions can I answer?
Can you go back to like whenever you were saying you moved the point to A prime?
Right here?
Yeah, like
how did I do that?
Or like why you did that?
Why I did that. So, first of all, I got my point A. And by the way, while I'm explaining this, y'all can start writing down. First thing I want you to do is highlight your new X and Y axis. So I'm going to take you through it as you do. Highlight. Everybody should have a highlighter. If you don't, they're at the back of the table, their back table. Highlight your new X and Y axis at 3, 2. So this first column was where is that point A according to my new origin? Right 1, up 3.
Yeah.
And then I applied the rule. Then I'm going to plot that point with my new origin. So my point is negative 3, 1. So from the new origin, I'm going to go left 3, up 1. Because that's negative 3, 1 with my new origin.
Oh.
Yep. And then read it off the graph like you normally without any new origin.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You have a question? How did I get 0, 3? Pretend there's no purple origin here. Where is that point on the graph? If this is now, does that make sense? Yeah. And you're only going to read from your original origin at the very end. So everything's going to be your new origin till the very end. Okay? Good question. What else can I answer? Close your Chromebooks. You don't need them. Thank you. I want you to write all of this down. What I have written down, you need written down. What I found today in my other classes is people who are not showing work are getting the problems wrong. Now, don't get me wrong. There's maybe 2 or 3 people that have no work shown that got it right, but those people also have a 99 in my class. If you have no work shown and you're getting it wrong, I'm going to send it back to you and I'm going to say, I need you to show me every step. All right, let's do this together step by step. Are y'all ready? Okay, so I would like you to now label this point right here, point B. Where is point B at according to my new origin? If this right here is 0, 0. Louder? 4, 3 is correct. Does everybody agree from my new origin, you go right 4, up 3? And how do I rotate that 90 degrees? Do the rule or physically rotate? It's up to you. What is my rotated point going to be? -3, 4. Plot that according to the new origin. Go left 3, up 4 according to your new origin. What questions can I answer? From your new origin, go left 3, up 4. All right, where is that point on the graph, on the actual graph? 0, 6. So B prime is at 0, 6. Do you want to try C on your own, or you want one more together? Try it. Try it. This point right here is C. I know we're not all done, but I just want to make sure we're on the right track. What is my point C with my new origin? 4, 1. And if you apply the rule, what do you get? And you need to plot that with your new origin. Left 1, up 4. That's the part everybody forgets, is to plot it. Do I have any questions? Where is this point C on my actual graph? C prime, sorry. It's at what? 2, 6. Hey y'all, we have A, B, C. Could we figure out where D is? Yeah, we know it's a rectangle. So I can just put D prime. Where is D prime? 2, 3? 2, 3? So we can do that one without. What questions do I have? Somebody asked me last period, Miss Olivares, can I just do the corners like A and C and then figure the other ones out? I mean, sure. On your test, you are not going to be asked to find, you're not going to be asked to find all 4. I'll probably give you a picture like this and say, hey, find B prime. I'll just ask for one of them. Okay? Any questions? Can I change it or not yet? See a couple of people writing, or are y'all on the next one? All right, flip all your paper over. We're going to do number 2 together. Everybody look up. What's different about this problem? It's 180 degrees, and we are doing a triangle. So we're going to go to the point 2, 6. So everybody get your highlighter and highlight your new origin at 2, 6. And we're going to do this one together, so y'all can write as we go. And this top point is going to be point A. Where is point A at according to my new origin? For my new origin, I go left 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1, negative 4, 1. Please let me know if I'm going too fast. How do I rotate this one? 180 is negative x, negative y. If you want to get out your notebook and turn it to page 41, like I see around the room, I think that's a good idea, just to have it kind of open. What if you don't remember the rule? How many times would you turn your paper? So I'm going to go 1, 2 times. And then I can look, where is this point A according to my new origin? Right 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1. So I get the same answer. So what did we get? Positive 4, negative 1. Negate both x and y. What do I do now? Plot that point, 4, negative 1, according to your new origin. And where is that at? Where? 6, 5. Y'all agree? All right, B. B is going to be this one right here. Where is this B according to my new origin? Negative 7, negative 4. Yep, that's what I got. Go left 7, down 4 from your new origin. So what am I going to do to apply the rule? And how do I do that? What do I end up getting for my new point? My rotated point. Yep. 7, 4. Negate the x, negate the y. And plot that, please. From your new origin, go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is my point B on my graph regular? 9, 10. What question can I answer? This is one of those things, again, It's not too bad as we're doing it, but if you forget a step, it doesn't lose you completely.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I think it's super difficult. If y'all don't memorize the steps, you're just kind of floundering doing this. All right, C. Where is C? I didn't mean to put prime with that. Where is C according to my new origin? Oh, speak a little bit louder. -1, -4. Thank you. And if I rotate that 180, what do I get? 1/4. Plot that on your graph. Right 1, up 4. And where is C prime? 3, 10. And those are your answers. Questions? All right, I want you to do number 3 on your own. I'm going to walk around. Can I change this? Okay. Right here, real quick, look up. This is going to be A, B, C, and D. This one is weird. Just be aware. You're rotating 270 about -3, -3. Go. she'll change your wallpaper. Give me a second. Just make it easier. Okay. I kind of was trying to correct anybody who got the problem or wasn't on the right track. I'm going to kind of go on and give you the answers as we go. But most of the people that are getting this wrong are getting it wrong right off the bat because you're using your original coordinates. I mean, 8 years of graphing something, we've taught you how to use X and Y coordinates, and now I'm telling you not to use those, so I can understand why. This point A, I know this point A is at -6, -1, but we are not using that. We are using our new origin and seeing what's happening. And I'm going back 1, 2, 3, left 3, up 2. So this is -3, 2. B, I'm going left 1, up 2. -1, 2. Left 1, down 2, -1, -2, and -3, -2. Those are the coordinates you should have gotten for your new origin. Then I need to rotate. How do I rotate 270? Y -x. Switch them and negate the x. Or, what can you do to your paper? Turn it 3 times. Make sure you're going left, counterclockwise. So if I do y -x, I'm going to switch them and make that x positive. So 2, or negate it. Then I'm going to make this 2, 1. -2, 1, -2, 3. Is that what y'all got in that column? And now what everybody forgets is to plot. I'm going to plot these points according to my new origin. Right 2, up 3. Be careful, y'all. A lot of people today on the homework have not been labeling these letters. I will count off for that. It's also making them mess up because whenever they do it on their own, you see how I'm asking for A prime, B prime, and C prime? And they're getting them out of order because they're not labeling their letters. So just be careful with that. Okay, then I got to plot 2, 1. Then -2, 1, which is kind of annoying that it's inside there. And then -2, 1, 2, 3. And connect your rectangle. According to my graph now, oh my goodness, according to my graph now, where are these points? Like normal. What point is A at? Or A prime, sorry. -1, 0. What point is B at? B prime. -1, -2. C prime is kind of inside there, but it is it -5? -2. And then D prime? -5, 0. And that's what you should have gotten for this. What questions can I answer? All right, pick your heads up, please. What you are going to do now is you are going to do number 1 on your homework. You are allowed to get up. I actually want everybody in here working with somebody else. All right, I want y'all talking about this. So get up, move, or if you're sitting next to somebody you're cool with, that's fine too. Everybody needs to be working with somebody, and I want you to do number 1. Before you leave class today, and y'all have 15 minutes, I want number 1 done and checked by me. You need to come up. There's all this space right here. Come up, make a line, check it. If you get 5 minutes in and you haven't written anything down and you don't know what to do, you're getting in line because you're asking for help, not for me to check it. All right? I need to talk to every single one of you before you leave this room or you can't leave. So, come up here, get number 1 checked. If you can do number 1, number 2 is actually very similar to it. It's the same points. It's just instead of 90, rotate 270. So you can kind of have that one halfway done. All right? Do 1, come get it checked, then you'll do 2, and hopefully that means tonight all you have to do is the back for homework. All right? Please find somebody to work with. If you don't find anybody, I'm going to assign you to somebody. Go make a friend. Go make an awkward acquaintance. You can work with more than one person. You can be in a group of 3. You can be in a group of 4. You just need to be communicating with people about math. Go!